Yes, sir. Kill it. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. In the ditches, man. Hey, this what I do, bro. I'm yeah, hey, what is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy March here, and I'm back with another lit video. You know what I'm saying, man? Look, hey, check me out. Hey, Dad, what you doing?
Bruh. Huh?
What are you doing, bruh?
I'm getting ready, bro.
Yes, sir. First day of school. Hey, drip too hard. Don't stand too close. Hey, what that shirt is, man?
Hey, bro, Michael Coyle.
Hey, Michael Coyle. Ooh, that boy. Hey, that boy looking spiffy. But look, check me out, YouTube, man. We at Georgia State. You know what I'm saying? We finna get these girl phone numbers without saying a single word. You know what I'm saying? We may use a little sign language, but we ain't gonna say a single word. And we just gonna try to get their number. You feel me? But look, check me out. If you're new to this channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do. You flew. Without further ado, let's get into it.
I have a boyfriend. I'm sorry, I have a boyfriend. I cannot. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. No, I can't. I cannot look. See, it's us together. I can't. What? You talk? What's wrong? You need help? Why are you not talking? Wait, are you mute? What happened? For what?
Bruh.
For what? If I don't know, then what's the point? For what for? And why would I do that? I don't know either.
What?
Okay. To text. Well, I don't know you, so I'm okay. Thank you though. She did share. Oh, lovely. What is he, that? Oh, okay.
Hey, look, YouTube, look. She said in my death. Are you a idiot? Like, bro, check me out. If I'm deaf, I wouldn't be able to hear. Deaf people, some deaf people can't talk. That is true. Alright? But most are still able to talk or say something. I'm literally not saying a word. And she think I'm... Let's get back into it, bro.
Her name? No. What? number. What's her number? What's her name? Agent. I don't get out my number. I'm not here.
What the f?
Snap.
Keep banging on that bit.
Bang it get hard.
Oh, she's thinking up a better and yes, sir. Kill it. Hey, ooh. Smooth,
I learned that
hey.
shit from 2K.
Bro, it's raining out here, but you know what I'm saying? We still get a video in, you know what I'm saying, man? OG Mods, man. Hey, I got my boy Perk in the cut, man. He got
I ain't
me,
okay, he can't
you know what I'm
drip that, bro.
saying? Hey, he can, bro.
Yeah, get my
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. Hey, that's the hey, show the polo sign, my nigga. Show the ooh, that boy got that. Hey, that's how we coming in Atlanta, man, for sure.
No cap.
Hey, oh, we should have went to Waffle House. Yes, sir.
That shit
Yeah, we can still hit that bit. No cap.
Do it for me.
Wow, why is it over with for you?
Bank on 0.
Damn. Straight out, hey, get the digits, man. Hey, this what I do, bro. I'm clean out here. I'm gonna blur half of it though. Mute boys out here, man. Look, you two, you know what I'm saying? That's all we got for today, you know what I'm saying? Georgia State in the rain, getting females number without saying a single word, you know what I'm saying? Hey, hold on.
Mute boys, man.
Hey, man, mute boy. Hey, man, we the mute boy. Hey, yee. Hey, we the fucking mute boys, man. But look, you two, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe. That's all I got for today. And yeah, till next time.
Got so much pain in my heart. Been through the rain from the start. Got so much pain in my heart. Been through the rain. Got so much pain in my heart. This rap should help let it out. Been through the rain from the start. I never been through a drought. I'm from that water, not New Orleans.